Meaning of equivocate.
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 Equivocate. Equivocate means to use ambiguous or unclear language in order to avoid making a clear statement or commitment. When someone equivocates, they may appear to be saying one thing while actually leaving room for interpretation or avoiding taking a clear stance on an issue. The result of equivocation can be confusion or frustration on the part of the listener, who may feel that they are not receiving a straight answer or that the speaker is being intentionally evasive. Overall, equivocation can undermine effective communication and trust between individuals or groups.